My name is Clint Grove. Learn Azure Data Engineering with me. We are here in Fabric. Check how easy it is to do incremental loading these days. Here is my advanced settings. You can see that I have chosen these columns from the data from my SQL Server, person data table, sensitivity lookup, address, and customer. Check this out. I've just got a connection to these tables here. I'm bringing in this data from the SQL Server and I'm bringing it into my lakehouse, but very simply I'm doing an incremental load on these columns. Now back in the day we used to do a whole lot of stuff. We'd bring these into staging tables, we'd compare them with SQL to see what's in the live table and compare it with staging, but nowadays it's so easy. So all you have to do, create yourself a simple copy activity, and you can even schedule it and do whatever. But now check this out. If I change a data row in the database, you can see I've connected to my source, my SQL database. I've got my incremental copy on, and it's going into my lakehouse. Man, oh man, it's so easy. Like if I just add one thing on here, all right, I want to insert a new record here. We'll just call it new guy 2, whatever. We just put some random stuff in here. We'll call him a Bob, and then whatever random stuff in here. Remember the incremental column on this one is the actual ID of the person, so this will be, doesn't matter what date this is. There we go. Now if I run this, so that data is not there right now, we're going to just show you quickly. If I go to the lakehouse, where are you? Inside of this lakehouse, oh, I've got 2 copy jobs, we don't want that. Source data is here. Let's have a look at our lakehouse. We have 4 rows. We ended at jolly. Now we're going to run this copy data one more time, and we're going to just run that. Just keep it refreshed. It runs every 15 minutes anyway, but here we go. So that'll run, and you'll see that as it's going to update. I'll just move this over slightly. You'll see that person here is going to be an extra row, so it'll say rows read and rows written will be 1. Get yours done today. All you got to do is connect to your source, choose your incremental column, whether it be a date, whether it be an ID, because you'll have your lower bound and upper bound over here. You can see the lower bound and upper bound there. So that looks like it is going to write. Let's have a look. Here's the person table right here. There we go. Rows read, rows written 1. That's what we expected. And you can see the lower bound and upper bound column. So ID number 5. Let's just check our database quickly. ID number 5 is the new guy. That's cool. So back onto this, and we go back into our lakehouse one more time, and we just refresh that. Let's refresh this. Come on, baby. And we should see number 5. There he is. Bob's in there. So quick, so easy. Get yours done now.